Hey, what's up guys? So for today's vlog, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix your kitchen light, your fluorescent light. I have a 48-inch fluorescent light up there in the ceiling, and the thing is, I came home one day, I turned the light on, and they came on for like a second, and then they went out. So here's my light switches and the light bulb up there. Oh, that's the whole way. See, nothing, it's not coming on. It's the living room, and this for the kitchen, and the lights are not coming on because I think the ballast went out of it. And then here's some more light switches. The lights up there. See? Let me see if you guys see. I'm flipping the switch. Nothing's coming on. This is the other switch for that light. See? That one works. That one works. So in order to fix this light and replace the ballast, guys, we gotta remove the light bulb, and that centerpiece has to come out. But we we want to make sure there's no electric running through there. It's not live, that it's dead, you know. There's no the light current, it's not flowing through it, so we don't shock ourselves and end up dying or something. We just come over here. This is I'm sure it's the same for everyone. Their circuit breakers are located in the garage, and then you just look for the one that says kitchen light. Let me see here. Washer, dryer, kitchen light. Turn that off. Yeah, as you can see, guys, see, I flipped the switch on. See the light in the kitchen? You can see it through the crack. It's light up. When I flip the switch, it comes off. See? There we go. So that means there's no electric current running through there, and that it's safe to remove the bulbs and change all the wires and the ballast. I'm gonna leave the light in the garage for now. Oh wow. The whole oh wow. I didn't think all the lights would come off, turn off. Now it's totally dark. Even the living room light. Oh well, just as long as there is no current running through these lights, guys, then we are fine. Check, make sure. Yep, no light, no current. And just to make sure that there's absolutely no current running through those light fixtures, guys, I bought this small tool a long time ago. I can't remember where, but yeah, this is a voltage detector. It's an easy tool, very useful. So all you do is turn it on to turn the switch on, and you could go around your house and look for light bulb electric current that is currently on or running. Like for this, for example, guys, we got this light socket, plug sockets here, and then we put this here on the negative side. There's nothing, see, and then if we put it on the other side, See how it instantly light up? That means there's electric running through there, like live electric current running through it. And this thing is so good and accurate, guys. Look, I'll even test it on this this wire here. It's plugged in. See that? That means there's live current running through here. Look at that, guys. This thing comes in handy when you're doing electrical stuff in the house. All right, guys, enough for this stuff, and let's get on with this. I gotta go up this ladder and change that. First, we gotta remove the light bulbs. So that's easy. All you gotta do is twist these, and then they'll just fall out like that. By the way, these light bulbs, guys, they're not your regular fluorescent bulbs. I replaced them with LEDs. So these are LEDs. They're just, you know, regular LEDs you could get at Menards. They're plug and play. Now this piece is easy to remove. You just gotta squeeze it, and then it should come out. Alright, guys, so now that we got this all opened up, the light bulbs removed, we're gonna take our handy dandy tool, our voltage detector, and test the wires. Make sure that there is no live current running through them, to be on the safe side. We don't want to be getting electrocuted. That's the red wire, that's positive, and then your black wire, that's negative. So I'm testing them. Nothing, no beeping sound, guys. So you can see nothing. And I make sure the light switches are off. So that means it is safe to work on the wires, guys. So what we gotta do is we gotta remove this ballast, because I'm thinking that's the problem. It's old. It's never been replaced since I had the house built back in 2011. It's now we're now going in 2026, so that thing is like 30 years old. All right, guys, before you remove the ballast, you just want to make sure the wires, what they're connected to, like the two blues, they're connected to those two prongs. And then you got this red wire, it's connected to those two prongs. And then you got black and white. The white is connected with the white, and the black is connected with the black. And if you want to make sure you get those, you don't forget what they're connected to, just take a picture with your phone. But as for me, I remember it's easy: black, black, white, white, and then, you know, red, red, blue, blue. All right, let's remove this ballast, guys. Oh, don't worry about me, guys. I know exactly what I'm doing. I've been doing electrical wires for a long time. I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm professional. I got the ballast unscrewed. I cut the wires. You're gonna need a wire cutter to make things easier. Cut the wires on this side. Just gotta remove the ballast. Just like that. And there you go. Just like that, guys, and you're ballast free. Now I got a new ballast, of course. Your connecting process is gonna be easy and exactly the same. Nothing special. So white with white, black with black, blue with blue, and red with red. Once you get your ballast, your new ballast put on there, installed on there, light fixtures, you're gonna connect your tube light. You're gonna connect your through. You're gonna connect your through. Oh my! You're gonna connect your two blue wires with the blue wires right here. Two blue wires and blue wires, and then you're gonna connect your red wire with the red wire over here, and then your white wires with the white and black with the black wire, guys. It's that simple. Yeah, guys. So you make sure you wrap your exposed wire with electrical tape. Don't use any other tape. It has to be electrical tape. That way you don't start a fire. Or worse, be electrocuted. Yeah, so this is so this is exactly what I mean, guys, when you're connecting the two wires together, that you're using electrical tape to cover them up, the exposed wire up, so that they don't touch any other bare metal and cause a spark, fire, electrical hazardous. All right, guys. Got the two blues connected and the red. Now I just gonna connect the red. I just gotta connect the white and the black, and then we should be done with that process, and we could test out the light. Now that I got all the wires connected, guys, and hidden up there, all nice and tucked, it's time for me to put the light bulbs back on there. Which is very easy. You just insert them in here and twist. That's just like that. When they snap into place, guys, you will hear a snap sound. There we go. Just like that. Easy peasy. All right, let's go test them out, guys. Turn on the light switch or the electrical. See, we gotta go into the kitchen. We gotta go into the garage and turn back on the power. Here we go. Turn it back to on position. It's on off right now. There we go. Close that. Check out this convertible GTR 35. Turn this light off because we ain't gonna need to come back out here in the garage. And look at that, guys. Just like that, we got our light back on right there. See it? So easy peasy, whatever. So I just, if you guys followed along and how to do it, I just may have to save you guys some money. You don't have to go out and get a professional electrician out here and do it for you and pay a bunch of money. You could do it yourself, but if you're not sure, uncomfortable, then I recommend calling someone who is professional. I'd rather have you do that than get electrocuted. Anyways, guys, if you like watch the video you like and learn something from it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and watch out for my other vlogs. Yeah, guys, so it works now, guys. Look, see, works like it's brand new. All right, guys, that is it. Peace out.